Namaste, I am Saloni Bagariya, the creative head for Step by Step International School. We've been associated with LCCI Global Qualifications since 2 years, and we couldn't be more delighted. The most important thing, the most important change that I've seen in our students after collaborating with Cambridge is that they have become very interested in learning. We've always wanted to develop a culture where kids are interested to learn, and we can see that happening now, and we are very glad about it. Second, our focus is on building a very strong foundation for our kids. Our kids, when they're certified by Cambridge, tomorrow, no matter where they go, being certified by Cambridge is going to help them grow in the future. And one of the most important things that LCCI has provided us is with quality training. Our teachers are constantly trained and constantly supervised by LCCI and Cambridge, and we are being able to deliver very quality education to our kids. And I'm looking forward to a great collaboration in the future as well. Thank you.